जय श्रीमन्नारायण. श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता सेकंड चैप्टर सांख्ययोगम 55th श्लोक. गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा disclosing Atmavidya to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Now Krishna Paramatma giving us answer for the question that we asked, "Oh Krishna, how does that Sthita Prajna looks? How does that Sthita Prajna talks? How does that Sthita Prajna behaves?" To that question, Krishna Paramatma is now answering, "Oh Arjuna, Sthita Prajna are four types. The first one, now I am disclosing, is the topmost one. In this Sthita Prajna, in his mind, there is only one thought. All it is about Atma, Atma, Atma. There is nothing else. And on this, whatever the thoughts are there in his mind, the buddhi also focused on the same thought. That is how he makes sure that his buddhi, his manas, cannot think other than Atma, cannot think about anything other than Atma. And all other desires are gone completely out of his mind. There is no even a small, tiny amount of impression of those desires. Only Atma he will be enjoying in that thoughts. And even if you put so many luxuries and pleasant things, pleasures, anything that you arrange around him, he would not even notice that this is something which we have to be enjoying. This is something that it is a very pleasurable thing. This is something that this is enjoyable thing. He wouldn't even have any awareness about anything that you arrange around him other than Atma. And for him, the most enjoyable thing, most blissful thing is Atma. This is the topmost state of Sthita Prajna. The one who has this kind of state of mind, he is very much deserved to get Atma Sakshatkaram. Like this, Krishna Paramatma disclosing the nature of the topmost Sthita Prajna. Having Krishna Paramatma's teaching running in our thoughts, let us now repeat Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Prajahati yada kaman sarvan pardha मनोगतान् आत्मन्येव आत्मना तुष्टः स्थितप्रज्ञः तदोच्यते. ओम. Just to understand about the topmost state of Sthita Prajna's nature, it is like if any trouble is caused to this state of Sthita Prajna by anyone, he would not even, his mind would not even notice that it is a trouble. That is what is the state of the topmost state of Sthita Prajna. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, do all your actions as my service, keep on thinking that you are my belonging, surrender to me alone unconditionally, do not cry anymore, and keep on remembering my teachings, at least by reading one sloka every day. Keep on spreading my teachings among all the devotees. If you keep doing my work like this, you will become my most beloved devotee and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, I shall always will be thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on performing my actions as your service. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering that I am your belonging. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep remembering your teachings at least by reading one sloka from Bhagavad Gita. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading your teachings among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. Karishye vachanam tava. శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గలితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవ సంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీ సుఖ మహర్షి. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమన్నారాయణ, చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ, సరస్వతీ దేవి, వ్యాస మహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. Sri Suta Maharshi disclosing Srimad Bhagavatam to Saunaka and other Maharshis. Suta Maharshi saying that, O Maharshis, now Parikshit inquiring Vrishabham, asking that, O Vrishabhama, who cut your 3 other legs? Let me know. The one, you are the one who is sadhunam, who is always having a gentle behavior. O Vrishabhama, Akrutagasam, you are the one who never does any kind of mistakes. Such kind of the entity you are, who tortured you, who caused this kind of trouble to you. Let me know. Sarvatosya cha madbhayam. That person, wherever he is, he has to be scared from me. That is for sure. O Vrishabhama, those who are torturing, who are killing the cows and all other gentle entities, they are all very bad people. At any cost they have to be punished. That is what is Loka Kalyanam. O Vrishabhama, let me know who cut your legs. Vadi bahuvulanchani trunchivaitu vinu vidiki negina neladaginan. Wherever he is, wherever he must be hiding, sakshat martyasya api, even if that person is sakshat devata, I would not leave him like that. I would go and cut his shoulders. O Gorupadharini, O Vrishabhama, Rajnyo hi paramo dharmaha. The very important responsibility of king is to punish those who are torturing, killing cows. O Vrishabhama, the other responsibility of king is Shastram Anapadi Utpathan. Those who are doing anti-social activities, those who are not obeying the rules and regulations of the government, they have to be punished. The other important responsibility of king is to punish those who are going against the constitution. Like this, when Parikshit having a conversation with Dharmadevata Vrishabham. Now Dharmadevata responding to Parikshit like this: Oh Narendra, oh my dear King Parikshit, I know that I realize that you belong to Pandava dynasty and I can see the greatest amount of righteousness in you because you belong to Pandava the dynasty. Oh my dear king, in your Pandava Vamsam, all your ancestors have such a wonderful qualities. Because of that, Sakshat Srimannarayana Krishno Dautyadau Bhagavan Krutaha. Paramatma himself, Sri Krishna Paramatma himself served all your ancestors because they have such a wonderful qualities. Oh my dear King Parikshit, because all your ancestors have such a great values, Paramatma himself Bhakti Lata Nibaddhudai Vari Janetrudu Mechu Dautya Sanchara Musese. Krishna Paramatma worked as an ambassador, as a messenger. Krishna Paramatma even worked as a driver of the chariot of your ancestors because your ancestors have great qualities. Like this, the Vrishabha Devata, Dharma Devata, appreciating, praising the qualities of Parikshitu and his ancestors. Now what happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukunda Mordhna Pranipatya Yache Bhavantam Ekantamiyantamardham Avismrutihi Tvaccharanāravinde Bhave Bhave Me Astu Bhavat Prasadat. Krishno rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishnena amarasatravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 2nd chapter, 55th sloka. Prajahati yada kaman sarvan pardha manogatan atmanyeva atmana tushtaha sthita prajnaha tadochyate. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.